Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and a chosen encrypted DNS provider that supports do H or do T. Once decided, pick the client method, the OS built-in encrypted resolver for simplicity, or a local proxy like DNScript proxy for full control. Make sure you've downloaded the provider's do H/do T endpoint details and any required config files. Now open your network settings or prepare to install the proxy. You will act immediately to change the system resolver so queries stop being sent in plain text. You now configure the encrypted resolver itself. On Windows, enable DNS over HTTPS in network settings or point to 127.0.0.1 if running a proxy. On Mac OS, either install the provider's app or run a local do H proxy and change your network DNS to localhost. On Linux, edit systemd resolved or network manager settings to use the do H/do T endpoint, or run DNScript proxy and set the system resolver to 127.0.0.1. Once done, restart the network service to apply the new resolver. You finish by verifying that DNS is encrypted and using your chosen provider. Use a DNS leak test or run dig/resolve to confirm the resolver IP and encryption. If lookups fail, check the proxy or resolver service status, confirm firewall isn't blocking ports. Do H uses 443, do T uses 853, and ensure the endpoint URL and certificate options match your provider. If the network is lost, revert DNS to automatic, fix the proxy configuration, then reapply the secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.